Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the brake and deciding whether you'll splice, reattach, or replace the transparent strap. Start now. Detach the strap from the cup or slider if possible. This gives clean access. Align the two strap ends with about 1 to 2 millimeters overlap so tension distributes across the repair. Thread a fine needle with strong nylon thread and knot securely. Once done, pin the overlap to hold it steady while you prepare to stitch. This prevents twisting and keeps the clear strap invisible. You'll stitch the overlapped section to create a durable joint. Use small whip or box stitches about 2 to 3 millimeters apart so the load spreads evenly. Keep stitches tight, but not so tight they pucker the strap. After sewing, add a thin bead of clear fabric glue along the stitch line to waterproof and reinforce the seam. Let it cure flat. If the strap is synthetic, carefully melt trimmed ends with a lighter for a second or two to seal fibers and prevent fraying. You're almost done. Reattach the repaired strap to the slider or bra cup in the correct orientation so the adjuster functions smoothly. Once attached, put the bra on and move your shoulders and arms through typical motions for about 10 to 15 minutes to test load bearing and detect slipping. If you notice stretch, gaps, or the knot loosening, immediately remove and reinforce with more stitches or a larger patch of clear glue. If repeated fixes fail, replace the strap to avoid wardrobe failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.